Hey guys, this is Hania Aamir and I'm at Mashion and we're doing 9 things that I have never done before. Draw a circle. Always in a bad mood. वो बनाया मैंने. I tried to make me look. Okay, wait. मैं आँखें change कर देती हूँ अपनी. What is this? Done. I look so evil. Fangs लग रहे हैं, दांत नहीं है. अच्छा पहले मैंने आँखें ना ऐसे सीधी बनाई थी. So I looked really pissed off. I'm gonna sign this. बेचो. मेरे ची नजरें तेरे ची शक्ल फिरनी हरकतें फिल्मी गर्ड यू फील मी बाइक balloon drop. Are my senses off? Do I have COVID? What is this? It's like lime. It's a little citrusy. Oh my god, my nose is working. Okay. Oh, this is Raat Ki Rani. This is a flower. You should have lit it. It's motia? Yes! I first wash my face. Use my cleanser and then never forget the vitamin C serum. Then I put some hyaluronic and some niacinamide and then put my moisturizer on and soak it. And then sunscreen. It's been a year now, I've caught up with my skincare routine. The last thing is sunscreen and then that's it. Okay then. Whoop. Do you guys know how to juggle? Giggling like, wait. नहीं बस नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकती. I did it. Let me grape. Okay. What? It's only been 10 seconds? I'm sorry. You guys are crazy. कहाँ है आँख मेरी? Did I do it right? You guys, तुम लोग अपनी footage पूरी कर लो. Where's my eye? Okay. Oh. Did I do it? Yeah. Is it done? Can you see it? So you can prove that I actually put on some. Thank you. Okay then. I think I've forgotten how to. How bad do I look? I knew it. मैं जीत गई? क्या मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई? मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई हूँ? मुझे यकीन नहीं आ रहा मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई हूँ. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing 9 things that I've never done before. And like, comment and subscribe to the Mashion channel.